In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group and ungroup objects or elements in Canva. Whether you're designing a poster, creating social media graphics, or working on a presentation, the ability to manage and organize elements effectively can streamline your workflow and enhance your creative projects. So let's dive in and explore this essential feature that will make your designing process more efficient. First, we need to identify the elements we want to group. Imagine you're working on a Canva design and you have multiple elements, perhaps text boxes, images, or other graphical elements that you wish to move or resize collectively. The first thing you'll want to do is highlight the elements you intend to group together. To do this, click and drag your mouse over the area where these elements reside. By highlighting them, you're essentially selecting all the elements within that perimeter, preparing them for the next step. Once you've selected your desired items, look towards the upper toolbar and find the Group button. Clicking on Group will link these individual elements together, allowing them to function as a single entity. This functionality is especially helpful for maintaining the alignment and spacing of your design elements, ensuring they move collectively without losing their positioning relative to one another. However, grouping doesn't mean you lose the ability to fine-tune individual elements. You can still double-click a grouped item to make adjustments to its contents without ungrouping. This feature provides both structure and flexibility, which is crucial in efficient design workflows. Now, there might be times when you decide that elements need to be adjusted independently. This calls for ungrouping. It's as simple as reversing the process. Click on the grouped elements to select them once again, then head back to the same top toolbar where you initially clicked Group. This time, look for the Ungroup option, which appears only when a grouped selection is active. Clicking it will disengage the links between your items, allowing them to be moved, resized, or edited separately once more. Building a good design often requires a bit of trial and error, experimenting with different arrangements and styles. Knowing how to efficiently group and ungroup elements in Canva can significantly enhance your ability to experiment swiftly while keeping your workspace organized. In summary, mastering the group and ungroup feature in Canva will aid you in organizing your design work, making changes to multiple elements efficiently, and maintaining a tidy workspace. Keep practicing this technique and you'll notice a marked improvement in your overall design process. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope these tips help streamline your creativity on Canva. Remember to like and subscribe for more handy design tips and tricks.